Hey guys. Okay, let's see. So in pump.fun we have 4 people already. Here I see people join in the space in Twitter. Again, I'm saying in spaces in here in Twitter, you won't see my screen. If you want to see my screen, go to the live streams in YouTube or in pump.fun. So today I will show you a little bit what I'm working on. It's kind of boring, but very crucial. And then we will start our music video for Alon, the co-founder of pump.fun. I don't think we will finish it today. We'll continue it tomorrow. Tomorrow also is the end of the deadlines for the contest. So maybe tomorrow also we'll review some of the submissions. We have a lot. And yeah, and that's it. So, okay, let me show you a little bit what I'm working on today. So basically, we need to integrate something kind of complicated in the video tools, something related to the latest changes in the models. The models became smarter, basically. Now you can store like consistent character as an element, and you can reference it in your prompt, and it's like a whole shitstorm of programming and complicated stuff. So now I'm just figuring out the UX UI and also the experience, and I want it all to work with our existing configurations. Yeah, this is the development server. This is why stuff's crashing. It's because I'm doing a lot of stuff. We also want to make the generations cheaper for users if they don't need sound. Basically, right now, the prices, considering you always make sound with your videos, but a lot of users don't want to make sound, including me, by the way. I prefer to make my own sound for some videos. So we also want to give users control on that. So that was the main work for today. It's just really crucial. It's really boring, honestly. It's not exciting or interesting. But yeah, it's really, really, really crucial. And in the meantime, I will send some fixes. Yeah, I see the cursor still working. I make it work with Cloud Code. And yeah, that's basically it. Soon, maybe I could show you some cool stuff. So again, today we're going to make the music video for Alon. I didn't really thought yet what I'm going to do. But yeah, let's start. I will go here in chat tools. Let me make my screen bigger. To temporary chat. And we want to make a music video for Alon Cohen, the co-founder of pump.fun. I want you to do research online and give me some cool concept that I can make for the music video. It's going to be short, around 30 seconds, kind of hardcore trap music video with a lot of cuts and dynamic shots. We want to show him like starting from the bottom, programming. Maybe then you have some women next to him driving a Lamborghini, hanging out in a jacuzzi, whatever, cool stuff, maybe some machine guns, who knows. Now you just need to do the research and give me like the first project description. So what's cool about the temporary chat, you see, it's not connected to the project and it's not going to be saved anywhere. I use it before I'm creating a project to actually figure out the project description. So now I send this prompt, it's going to use internet search model, which is right now it's Perplexity. Let's see. Yeah, and I think he did it kind of. Yeah, I didn't found anything about him. Let's try again with Claude. Definitely need more work on that. I think in general the temporary chat probably have problems because no one really using it. So I didn't check that long time. Let's see. Okay, here Claude now did find out. Mm-hmm. we forgot to tell them that Alon have a character. Don't forget he has a character. We already made it in 3D. And I actually made it yesterday, like really quick. Yeah. So I want them to polish the project description accordingly. By the way, we have users actually paying with crypto for the Kolbo coin to use Kolbo. I guess because of the competition, it's quite cool. Like you can see here, that's only from today, I think. Let's see. Yeah, look how many purchases only from today. I see it's like two guys here it's someone else, but like that's pretty cool. Like a lot of people buying it. So yeah, very cool. Okay, he gave me something. Okay, that's cool. Just give me that as a project description. We will develop the concept later on. Okay, cool. Now I copy that and let's create the new project. Proceed. So now I'm making a new project for the music video, right? Although I have to say, I don't like here something. Yeah, that's good.
דרך אגב, אין לי מושג כמה זמן הכסף הזה שכב שם, בזה. על פי מה שאני רואה פה עכשיו, זה שכב אצלי איזה חודש, אפילו יותר, ואני אפילו לא ידעתי מזה. אז זה מדהים לילה, כן, כיף לקבל קצת כסף מדי פעם.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so we created the concept, and now I guess we need to make like the storyboard. Okay, so let's try to create a short list for the music video. Fuck. Why I'm even typing? Let's now create the short list for the music video. Remember to mention the same environments whenever the character is in the same environment and so on. We probably will have it like coding a little bit and like starting from the bottom, and then it will be like montage of crazy situations and so on. Yeah, I don't know, something like that. Let's again give him the image of Alon. I attached image of the character. Cool, and now he's writing me a shot list. A shot list is basically a list of shots that describing the music video, okay? So yeah, he give me some cool stuff, and now I can look at it and like decide if I'm okay with it. Okay. Write me the environment text to image prompt. So we could create all the environments. Additionally, we can actually create the visual DNA for the logo as well. So I don't know, let's do it as product, pump.fun logo. Okay. Cool. So we have Alon, we have the pump.fun logo, and now we probably want to create the environments. Okay, so don't mention environments empty. So basically, when you create images of environments reference, you want to create them empty. You don't want to create them with text in them or the characters in them. You want it sterile, right? Like separated. Cool. And now I can just double click. Kind of, let's see what we get out of the box. Don't need to think too much about it. And we'll see if I like it. As you can see, I can generate very fast a lot of images in the same time. Look how many I already sent. And the automatic agent will select the best model to the task. I suspect it will probably choose for all of them Z image. And it's all working in the same time, of course. Okay, in the meantime, let's see if the development one is finished. Okay, maybe it's doing different model. What's going on here? Oh, Oh, wow. Look like I broke the system. Okay, when stuff like that happen, I can always go to the actual server. I wonder why it happened. Recent. Okay, I think the smart select just failed. Okay, now it will work. Okay. Let's try again. Image. And I will choose, I guess, flux plane. Let's do 16 by 9 and generate. Why it's doing it? Oh, wow. That's not good. Let's go one moment here. Maybe it's the rate limiting. I might be triggering one of the protections I did when I'm sending all of them in the same time in the chat tools. But if so, still shouldn't do that. Okay. Okay, in the meantime, I could show you some changes. Let's see. So now if I go to clean standard. Okay, so now if I reference, for example, this character, it write like inside the prompt, the visual DNA, and with different colors. If I will delete this one, it will delete that visual DNA and so on. Additionally, it's supposed also to do sound toggle, which right now I don't see it's doing. So we will need to check it out and why it doesn't do it. Okay, but let's get back to his video. Okay, let's see it. I mean, I guess it's fine, but why I have like text there and shit, you know? Make sure we don't have any text or weird coins or anything. Just clear images of the environments. We want 3D CGI stylized style, but are in an engine style. The Lamborghini should be on the road. Okay, and here are the new prompts. Yeah, that can work. Why make the Lamborghini on a fucking balcony? I don't understand. Okay, so I guess I like this one. This one not really. The jacuzzi one is cool. The private jet is cool. More environments, please. A yacht is cool. Okay, cool. So basically, we can now kind of make a scene from each image here. Yeah, this one look like shit. So we can go here, edit this prompt. I want to see tons of money and gold on the floor as well in that safe. Because who want a safe without tons of gold and money, right? Cool. So now we can make visual DNAs of the environment. So just reference the image as the environment. We'll see. Let's go to the creative director. And now I'm going to write make Alon in this bedroom working on the computer. Give me few angles from his back, wide shot, close up on his face, profile image, and so on. And let's do 6 images. And now I'm just doing choose from library. And I just need to drag and drop the office one. Cool. And yeah, basically that's it. Now I can trigger the grid one. Let's try it. Nano Banana 4K and generate. And let's see what we will get. Hopefully it will be something good that we can work with already. I will put out some free credits today, not a lot, but I will put. Let me even cook it now. I heard some people complained that Kolbo is too complex, and I get you, I feel you. Problem is, we complex like all the other platforms that's similar to us. It's just the way it is. Okay, guys, be ready. I'm going to put now 4 codes. And this time, I'm just going to show it. So you guys should be fast. Here they are. Let me expand. Copy them. And now I'm going to send them. Let's see if someone was quick enough. No. Ah, oh well. Okay, let's see this. Oh, it failed. That's a bummer. Let's see. Okay, let's see. I did some editings for the visual DNA. Oh, okay. Some of them it did. This one completely fucked. This one kind of good. This one is kind of cool. I can use that one. But fuck, I can't really work with it, honestly. All right, this one is good. He can walk here. He can walk here, I guess. Let's try now just the regular one. Cool. Let's see if you guys use the codes. Oh, finally. Great. Oh, wow. Seed Dream kind of doing it better. So let's continue with Seed Dream. Seed Dream is the model, by the way. Now, let's choose another image. On yeah, something like that. Ah, that drives me crazy. Okay, here I see the sound works. Doesn't let me to toggle off. Yeah, and now I'll send the image to video. Good. But why user can't toggle off the sound? Also make sure the sound toggle is to the left of the optimize toggle button and not where the preset row. Cool. What do you think? This one will be cool? I really hope so. Okay, let's see. Woo! Oh, this one is fucking cool. Great. Here we have all these angles. Cool. Oh my god, it's working so good. So yeah, great. Now we can do again choose library. Let's see what else we have here. In the jacuzzi, an environment of H2 surrounded by CGI 3D girls with bikini holding glass of champagne, not wearing shirt. Yeah, let's try it. Make multiple angles, wide shot, close-ups, and so on. And you know what? Let's go to cinema mode. It will be more interesting. And generate. Look like it's working, so we can continue. That's the beauty in Kolbo. I can now just drag and drop. Right, Alon sitting in the private jet chair. Environment of image 2. In the other seat, his wife, elegant, attractive, CGI 3D woman, blonde with white dress. Do multiple angles from that situation. Again, see dream, generate. Let's see what else. Okay, that can work. Driving a Lamborghini in the highway. Show one drone shot showing the Lamborghini and close up of him driving and so on. Make sure the Lamborghini and environment are consistent. And yeah, I don't know. I hope it will be good. I'm just generating. I think it will be fine. Still don't know what will be the song about. But we're making some progress. We have the safe. Make Alon in the safe of image 2 surrounded by money and gold. Generate. And let's see. I'm really curious to see the results. In the meantime, we're always developing, and here is the sound, the optimize. Great. Okay, we need to update that. You see the problem? So let's update it. Please make sure that the whole prompt area container in image to video or text to video getting wider when the user add multi-models, because right now it's not getting wide enough and the optimize and sound get down to the other row. Although it's kind of like, now that I think about it, it's not that much bad. We'll see. Okay. This is such a good image. I love it. So usually if I'm doing a lot of generations, if I suspect like something went wrong, I just go to the media library and then check in there what's going on, and here I can see everything. Yeah, the private jet one didn't work. The jacuzzi one worked. Only one of them. Okay, so this is like the kind of situation. Oh my god, he did her naked. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, that one we definitely can work with. Wow, it's crazy. He got the style of them, right? So I think with Nano Banana. And the yacht one also kind of. Okay. In here, let's see what's going on. If I add more models, yeah, it fixed it. So we have sound on or off for some of the models. Let's see, I will change here. Yeah. And another thing, I need to make sure that it actually changed the credit cost, which I don't see it doing. So yeah, that's another thing we need to update. In here, we're adding a mention dropdown. Soon we will see it. Yeah, still tons of work every single day. Never ends. Okay, I need also the private jet. Let's even, I noticed a problem here that he write visual DNA as image 1 and stuff. So we need to update it. Let me try to fix it. So now I'm going into my backend. Let me show you even. Okay. We need to make sure that when the creative director get visual DNA user inputs, we store the batch prompt with the visual DNA name and not as the image reference names. For example, if the user write hat Alon or some kind of visual DNA name, in reality, you save it as hat image 1, image 2, and so on. And for visual DNA, we shouldn't be storing it like that for the batch prompt because the user will get confused and he can also not reuse it easily. Okay, cool. That's that. So now about the credit cost. I actually need to do it more smart. Okay, actually I changed my mind. We need actually a multiply variable that will be dynamic for each model. You can just add it to all models and do them as one, but for the models that already support sound, do it as 1.5, and we might change it for the other models. That way you could do it as a variable to multiply the base credit for the sound enabled generations. Same for the front end that's going to calculate it based on that. Do everything we need to change, including seeding the changes to MongoDB, and then write me a front end ready to pass prompt to adjust the credit multiplies when the sound is on with the actual multiplier value. Okay, so let me explain what I'm doing now. Basically, when we toggle sound on, it should be a higher credit cost, and when it's off, lower credit cost. And it's also dynamic. It changes between models. So yeah, that's that. Let's see if this one, cool. So you see now also the chat tools will support this thing that was important for me. And let's see if it also support here. The fuck? I think because I'm doing changes now. Yeah, probably. Yeah, it's fine. Let's get back to Alon music video. Let's see what's going on. Oh shit. So this one is useless, this one useless, this one is fine, this one we could work with. Lamborghini, oh shit, look at this. Oh my god, that's amazing. Fucking A. Cool. And why it's doing it? Ah, okay, it's the Sidrim one. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so I want to make a close-up. Make a close-up shot on the character on the left. It's this character. And I give him actually the reference as well. In so cool. Generate. Cool. I mean, we kind of have what we need. Oh, wow. Look at the jacuzzi ones. This one I think I didn't saw. Okay, cool. I kind of want to see also the jacuzzi ones. Let's try it. Alon. Generate. What else we can do? I guess now do character walking in a nightclub full of dancing CGI stylized people and women, attractive. He have bodyguards behind him and he walk with serious face, looking to camera, wide shot. Something like that. Let's do it as manual mode, nano banana, to, yeah, yeah, that could be cool. What else can we do for Alon? Let's see actually our script. We kind of have a script. I think I want a little bit more to figure out his origin story. So let's try it. Generate. Okay, in the meantime, we continue with the programming. I'm in full mode, yeah. Mobile is kind of in light mode anyway. Okay, cool. My God, it looks so good. By the way, the reason it looks so good is because we used the cinema mode. Yeah, so that's a great trick, but need to be precise to control it good. It's not always working good. Okay, let's see. Cool. Great, it works. I guess the visual DNA won't work here, but it's fine. Great, better than nothing. So that's about that. So I guess now we can actually test our, yeah. So one thing left is that it actually need to calculate it and give us more cost. Let's see. Maybe it's just not configured. No, it's all configured. So let's see. In the meantime, that's probably finished. Or not yet. Okay. So here is the that's so fucked up. It looks so good. Here is he in the jacuzzi. Here is he with the bodyguards. What the fuck he did here, God knows. It's so crazy how much random it is. That sometimes it works and sometimes not. Here it is, the close-up I wanted. Basically took this one and this one. God, this will be such a good music video, I can already tell. I mean, what can we do from here? What do you think? What we should do with him? Oh shit. Yes. Look awesome. Definitely can use that. Let's split it. Why it's still getting crazy? I think something got fucked up. Let's see. By the way, soon I'm going to a webinar that someone hosting. I'm going to talk about Kolbo. There's a lot of people interested in. So soon I will need to leave you guys. But as you can see, we're going to have such a cool music video. I'm really happy about it. Tomorrow we will finish it. And it will be very cool. I promise you guys. Yeah, awesome. Did it great. I'm just thinking, what else can I do? Came in some crazy situations. Make him, make Alon fighting a ball. Holding a huge ball from his horns. Why it keep restarting? I guess something giving an error. Oh shit! Look how he's holding the horn. That's fucking crazy. Why one of them always get messed up? I think I know why. That's actually bad. Oh shit, it's still crashing. I guess we need to write the song now. But I think I'm going to throw on him like the images or something, maybe. I don't know. Maybe we need some more pump.fun images. Maybe he can be like a superhero shit. I don't know. something like that. It will be cool. Generate, and let's see what else. Let's try. That look good. I wonder if Kling can animate all the music videos all together. That would be crazy. Oh, wow. Fuck yeah. That's good. Okay, finally. So what I'm fixing now is that the credit cost doesn't move if it's toggled on or off, and that's what we need to fix. I mean, this generate button supposed to change the credit cost. Let's see. Come on, what were those images? Okay. That's funny. Let's see how the rest will be. Okay. So, kind of not good. Yeah, so that's it for today. I think tomorrow we'll just make it as a music video. Thank you everyone that joined, and see you tomorrow. Tomorrow also the deadline for the contest, take in mind. So yeah, we have a lot of beautiful videos to review. Bye bye.